Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Stuck with the experience restricted error on Roblox? Don't worry, I will show you how to fix it step by step so you can get back to gaming in no time. First of all, log into your Roblox account and click on the settings gear icon in the top right corner. From there, head to privacy settings. Now, check if account restrictions is enabled. If it's turned on, this might be why you are seeing the error. Toggle it off to unlock full access to all experiences. If you are under a family setup, ask the account owner to up-to-date parental controls. They can adjust the allowed experiences to make sure you are not restricted. After that, refresh the page or log out and back in to ensure the settings take effect. And just like that, the restriction is gone. And you are free to enjoy all Roblox experiences, problem solved. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.